This is how you control a DC motor using Arduino and the MDD10A motor driver. In this setup, I'm using the Maker Uno together with the MDD10A motor driver. The Arduino sends PWM and direction signals to control the motor speed and direction. First, open Arduino IDE and go to Manage Libraries. Search for the Cytron motor drivers library. Then click Install. After installation, restart the Arduino IDE. Next, open the example code from the Cytron DC Motors library examples. Select the PWM_DIR_dual example. Now the motor speed can be smoothly controlled using PWM, and the motor direction can also be changed directly from the code. This setup is commonly used in robotics, automation, and embedded system projects. Check out the full tutorial in the description to build this project yourself.